Hello everybody, welcome to the Grainiac, how to make beef jerky. This is a choice eye of round they'll be cutting the fat off of. You want to make sure to get as much fat off of the meat as you can, because after all we're making beef jerky, which is usually lean. That's why you start with a lean cut of meat. You don't want to do this with a chuck or a ribeye, something with a lot of marbling, because it's going to be drying out on you and you want it kind of chewy. So I'm cutting it up into chunks because I can then choose how big I have my pieces of beef jerky. So that's one nice thing about making it on your own. I bought this eye of round for about $3 a pound. It'll shrink about 40%, so way better than spending $26 a pound at your local meat shop. You can make it here for about $5 a pound. You can find ingredients for beef jerky at any sporting goods store. Purchase it online. I always make my own as long as you have a pink stuff cure. This is what I'm using here. 1/8 of a teaspoon per pound of meat, so it does not take much. Now I just add a teaspoon of salt per pound. I'm doing 5 pounds here, so a little bit less even. Then some half of what you use in salt you use in sugar, and then black pepper, garlic to taste. I always add soy sauce to mine, and if I'm going to be using a dehydrator, I use liquid smoke, but I'll be smoking mine in the smoker. So that's why I'm not adding liquid smoke to this batch. Mix it all up. You need that cure to set into your meat, so leave it in the fridge overnight before you try dehydrating it or putting it into the smoker. You want to make sure everything's moist, not covered with liquid, but at least has touched the liquid, so you want to mix it for a few minutes. And you'll be able to see as you're flipping it around that everything's getting wet. You want that cure to penetrate everything, because that's what's going to keep your meat from spoiling. That's the whole reason behind beef jerky. If you're going to eat it fast, you don't necessarily have to put any cure in it. And then if you have a vacuum sealer, that's even better. Then you can put it in the refrigerator and it'll last still a few weeks. A little bit of background while we wait. I used to work in a meat market for over 10 years, so I've made a lot of beef jerky. That was horseradish. I put in a little bit more soy sauce, and then of course I add a little bit of water to it also. I don't know if you saw that. So mix. Want to make sure all the ingredients get to all the pieces of meat. This is checking on it after it's been in the smoker for a few minutes. And this is final product. I cooked the brisket also. And there you have it, beef jerky. Thanks for watching.